OpenAI just dropped a bombshell. GPT 5.6 Sol, its most powerful model yet. This changes everything about how developers build applications. Backed by unique government partnerships, GPT 5.6 Sol promises to revolutionize AI deployment. You're probably wondering, what makes this model so special? Is it just another incremental update? Or is this the game changer everyone's been waiting for? The fact that it's got government backing is a big deal. It means OpenAI is getting access to resources and expertise that could take AI development to the next level. But here's the part that's got everyone buzzing. This launch could set a new standard for AI development tools. What does that mean for you as a developer? Are you ready to adapt to a whole new landscape of possibilities? But before we dive into the details, let's ask, what's really at stake here? Is GPT 5.6 Sol just a fancy new toy, or is it the key to unlocking a whole new era of innovation? You're probably wondering, what's the next big thing in AI development? Well, it's not just about the models, it's about how you interact with them. Take Cursor, for example. They just released a mobile app that lets you guide your coding agents from anywhere. Yes, you heard that right. Anywhere. Imagine being able to stay productive on the go, no matter where you are. This is a game changer for builders who need to respond quickly to changes or collaborate with team members in different time zones. As one developer on Hacker News put it, this is a total paradigm shift for coding. But here's the thing. With great power comes great responsibility. Are builders really ready to take their coding on the go? What does this mean for the future of software development? Will we see a surge in remote collaboration, or will this just create more distractions? And what about security? How will builders protect their code when they're working from anywhere? The possibilities are endless, but so are the questions. What if this is just the beginning of a new era in flexible development? One where the lines between work and personal life are blurred beyond recognition. But what's driving this trend, and where is it headed? Vocabulary, autonomous, paradigm, distraction, flexibility. You're probably wondering, is the latest and greatest in AI tools worth a hefty price tag? Claude Code's new pricing has sent shockwaves through the developer community, with a 5x surge that's left many questioning its value. The debate is raging on Hacker News, with some defending the increased cost, citing the robust new features and enhanced performance. But others are crying foul, saying the benefits don't justify the expense. As one user put it, I love Claude Code, but 5x the price? That's just not sustainable for my project. The issue at hand is not just about the cost, but about the future of AI tool sets. Will we see a trend of skyrocketing prices as these tools become more advanced? And what does this mean for builders who are already struggling to keep up with the pace of innovation? The real question is, are the new features worth the cost? Claude Code CEO says, our new pricing reflects the significant value we're bringing to developers. But is that value enough to justify the added expense? As you weigh the pros and cons, consider this. What if the increased cost is not just a price hike, but a harbinger of a larger shift in the AI landscape? Vocabulary, innovation, automation, deployment, flexibility, sustainability. But here's what almost nobody is talking about. The Department of Commerce has lifted export controls on advanced AI models like Claude Fable 5 and Mythos 5. Now, the entire world can access these cutting-edge tools. But does that mean everyone gets a fair shot at innovation? Or will this just widen the gap between those who have the resources to leverage these new capabilities and those who don't? Imagine you're a builder in India or Brazil working hard on your next big app. Suddenly, you have access to Claude Fable 5 right alongside developers in Silicon Valley. It sounds like a level playing field, but here's the catch. These tools aren't free. They come with hefty licensing fees and complex setup requirements. Are you really prepared to invest that much time and money just to stay competitive? The lifting of export controls is a game changer for global AI development, but it's also a double-edged sword. On one hand, it democratizes access to the latest technologies. Builders everywhere can now tap into incredible capabilities like never before. But on the other hand, this doesn't guarantee that everyone will take full advantage. Consider this. OpenAI's GPT 5.6 Sol has already set a new standard for AI development tools. But how many developers in emerging markets have the resources and training to fully leverage such advanced models? The truth is, many might not. This could lead to a two-tiered system where only those with extensive budgets and expertise are able to push the boundaries of innovation. Moreover, lifting export controls has far-reaching implications for global collaboration. Developers from different parts of the world can now pool their resources and knowledge more freely. But here's the twist. This increased collaboration might not be as inclusive as it seems. Larger tech companies are likely to dominate these collaborations due to their superior funding and infrastructure. So what does this mean for you? It means that while the playing field is leveling up, there's a whole new set of challenges and barriers you'll need to navigate. Are you ready to face them head on? You're probably thinking, what's the next big thing in AI? Is it GPT 5.6 Sol? Or maybe Claude Code's new features? But here's what nobody's talking about. AI agents are becoming the real game changers. They're transforming industries and redefining what automation means. According to a recent article on Inside AI, AI agents are becoming increasingly capable of performing complex tasks autonomously, and this could have a massive impact on everything from tech to healthcare. But what are the capabilities and limitations of these agents? And how can builders harness their power? As stated by Inside AI, AI agents are the next frontier in automation. But the real question is, what does this mean for developers? You see, AI agents like those being developed by Cursor, with their mobile app allowing for on-the-go coding guidance, are just the beginning. The Department of Commerce lifting export controls on AI models like Claude, Fable 5, and Mythos 5 is also a significant factor, as it allows for broader access to these advanced models. But with all these advancements, what are the potential risks and downsides? The truth is, we're just starting to scratch the surface of what AI agents can do. And as builders, it's crucial to understand their potential and limitations. So, the question remains, how can you leverage AI agents to revolutionize your workflow and stay ahead of the curve? The answer, for now, remains elusive, but one thing is certain. The future of AI development is not just about models, it's about agents. And if you're not paying attention, you might just get left behind. But what if you could get ahead of the curve? What if you could be one of the first to harness the power of AI agents? That's what we'll explore next. Vocabulary, autonomous, automation, capabilities, limitations, revolutionize. So, what are the game-changing tools that actually matter? It's not just about the latest models or pricing models. It's about understanding how AI agents and innovative tools are revolutionizing the development landscape. Let's dive into the heart of it. First up is GPT 5.6 Sol from OpenAI. This isn't just another model. It's a breakthrough that promises to set new standards in AI development. With unique government partnerships, this tool is optimized for deployment and could redefine how builders approach app creation. But here's the thing. While it's powerful, it might not be the only game changer out there. Cursor has released a mobile app that allows developers to guide their coding agents from anywhere. This isn't just convenience, it's productivity on the go. Imagine staying productive and responsive while you're away from your desk. This could shift how software development is done, making real-time collaboration and updates seamless. Claude Code's new pricing model has sparked debate. The cost has surged by 5x, and users are questioning whether the new features are worth it. This highlights a critical point. Builders need to carefully consider the trade-offs when choosing their tools. Are you investing in cutting-edge features or just paying for convenience? Now, consider the lifting of export controls on Claude Fable 5 and Mythos 5 by the Department of Commerce. This move could accelerate global AI development. More access means more innovation, empowering builders to create sophisticated applications that were once out of reach. And here's where things get really interesting. AI agents are becoming increasingly capable of performing complex tasks autonomously, transforming industries from tech to healthcare. These agents can handle everything from customer service chatbots to surgical assistants, but it's crucial to understand their capabilities and limitations. Integrating them into workflows not only requires skill, but also strategic foresight. So, As you stand at the crossroads of this rapidly evolving landscape, what's next? The key is staying informed, understanding these tools, and how they can be leveraged for real-world applications. Whether it's GPT 5.6 Soul or AI agents, the future of development is here, and it's not just about tools, it's about innovation.